Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with a market update. The US dollar climbed above 100.1 on Wednesday, reaching a two-week high as traders scaled back expectations for another Fed rate cut in December. Markets now price only about a 34% chance of a 25 basis point move. Sentiment shifted after the Bureau of Labor Statistics said it will not release the usual October employment report. The absence of this data adds uncertainty to the Fed's labor market assessment. WTI crude fell more than 2% on Wednesday to around $59 after reports suggested the US is pushing for an end to the Russia-Ukraine war. Ukrainian officials say Washington has signaled support for renewed diplomacy, while Russia noted sanctions have not hurt its production. On the supply side, US crude inventories dropped a larger than expected 3.4 million barrels last week, although gasoline and distillate stocks rose. Cushing stockpiles also declined. Spot gold rebounded from a one-week low, trading near $4,080 as softer US labor data revived expectations of a December Fed rate cut. Initial jobless claims rose to a two-month high last week, signaling a cooling labor market and giving the Fed more room to ease. According to the Fed Watch tool, markets now assign nearly a 50% chance of a December cut. Analysts remain optimistic, citing sustained central bank demand that supports forecasts for gold to average around $4,000 next year. The yen extended its rally on Wednesday, traded near 157.15, up almost 1%, marking a third straight day of gains, supported by a strong US dollar and persistent yen weakness. Global risk sentiment remains fragile amid concerns over the US economy, lifting the yen's safe haven appeal, but not enough to offset broad USD strength. Speculation also continues that Japanese authorities may intervene to slow the yen's slide. Uncertainty over the Bank of Japan's policy path remains. Euro fell more than 0.5% on Wednesday, dropping toward 1.151 after Fed minutes signaled the central bank may skip a rate cut in December. Fed official Thomas Barkin noted the labor market appears more balanced, though inflation's return to 2% remains uncertain. Meanwhile, caution dominates the outlook for the ECB, which is widely expected to hold rates steady as Eurozone inflation nears target.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.